This is Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and in today's tutorial we would like to show how you can add numbers to the keyboard on this device. So that's how the keyboard looks without the separate number line. From here you want to tap on this cog icon that is located at the top part of your keyboard that contains various shortcuts of keyboard options and features. If you are not able to find the gear icon, the settings over here, just tap on these three horizontal dots, expand the available features menu, and in here you'll be definitely able to find those. So let's open the settings, enter the preferences category, and at the preferences page all that is left to do is to turn on this number row switch. And as you will be able to see now, this will essentially mean that we have successfully activated the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.